I was here for 3 hours.
And did you pay $2?
I thought I was.
Even better. What a day.
As you can with the ball, and then you're gonna stick handle around those cones. You're gonna be keeping your head up, kind of doing like a tight turn around them while stick handling. Stick handle through all the cones, run down and take a shot on the net, and then run all the way back down the court, back into line, and then the next person will go. Does that make sense?
Respect everybody else's
Next stop, circles.
I'm sorry.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
I bet you.
Well, I can't find it.
It's right there.
I found it.
It was a team effort.